your shirt on, there are some terrors that people cannot bear. Good evening again, dear. Oh, I like your smile. Starving for attention, are we? Yeah, welcome to the set once more.
Wow. Oh my God, look at the things up there. It's so pretty.
Thank you.
All right. I'll go back and listen.
Shut up, Marco.
I like your smile.
Huh?
I want to go back too. To cracking jokes.
Yeah, I know, you know?
He cracked jokes on you?
I know. Look at Precious.
Hey, little black girl, ever heard of lotion?
You heard Marco?
No, said, hey, black girl, ever heard of lotion?
That's what she thought that would be funny if he said that.
The guy said